what's up, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can probably already tell by the title, I will be doing crochet faux locks, and I will be showing you guys how to do it and how to also make it look natural. So yeah, this isn't my first time doing this style, but it's the first time doing it like on my own. You get what I mean? Like I said, it's not my first time using the hair, so it's not fresh out of the pot. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how small they are. They're really small. This is how one lock looks. Let me just roll it up. This is how my hair currently looks, and I'm gonna tell you guys why I did what, and I'm gonna also walk you guys through what I did to achieve this and why I did it. So in the front here, as you can see, I have like 2 rows of twists, right? Plait the root and then twist the wrist. And I did also add an extra one right here. One on this side, one on this side. This is the lazy girl method. If you want, you can indeed twist all your hair like this, like one by one, twist all of them like this, and then do it individually. But of course that would take a lot of time. I'm not even gonna cap you guys. This took like 2 hours to do. Honestly, I didn't do it by myself. I got my mom to help me. So I'm pretty sure if I was doing this by myself and I was trying to get the part neat and all that, it would take longer. So if you guys want to do that and do your whole head, go ahead. I'm just not doing it. So I did it all around the perimeter of my head. Most of them are 2 rows, but like at the side right here, it's 1 row. Then as it relates to the middle portion of my head, you can do cornrows, cane row, whatever you call it, you can do that. Originally that's what I planned on doing, but my mom did it for me and she decided that she wanted to do flat twists, and I wasn't going to stop her. So in the middle here, I have some flat twists. So that's what I did to my hair, and this is how we're starting. Alright, so I have my hair put away into 2 sections just so that it doesn't get in the way while I'm showing you guys. So I'm gonna come real close, okay? Let me just take one from this section. So now I'm gonna take one of the locks, and you want to make sure that this is open wide enough to fit the end, which is this. So not all of them come already stretched like this. You might have to stretch it yourself. So yeah, you want to do that first. Grab your crochet needle. You can't do this without your crochet needle, and put it through your hair. Ow, 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 ow. Don't do this. Put it through your hair properly, like that. Close it, bring it through, grab the opening, hold on to it, don't let it go. Then grab the end of the lock and pull it through. And you can pull it to make sure that it's real tight, and then that's how you attach it to your hair. The first one is, you can take the crochet needle and you can run it in the middle of the lock until you get to the top. So you see how it's actually inside the lock. So then you're gonna take your hair, hook it on, close it. You're gonna pull this through. And basically you're gonna be doing that until you have no more hair left, until all of the hair is inside the lock. So that's the first method. I'm just gonna speed through this.
Mama said, you're a pretty girl. What's in your head? It doesn't matter. Brush your hair, fix your teeth. What you wear is all that matters. Just another stage, pageant the pain away. This time I'm gonna take the crown.
This is what the lock is looking like. It does look pretty natural. You can't see my hair any at all because it's between the lock. And I'm gonna show you guys the next method. I don't think I'm doing the next method but I'll still show you guys. This time, instead of using the crochet needle to go up through the hair and then grab your hair through, what you can do is, you notice how the lock, they wind the hair in one direction until it forms a lock. So what you can do is unwind it. So notice how it starts to unwind. This might be easier for some people. Unwind it and then rewind it around your hair. So it will basically be rebuilding the lock. So wrapping it, unwind, and then wrap. And you see how I covered just an inch of my hair, but you're gonna have to do that all the way. If you want to go ahead and do that method, you can, but I'm just gonna stop it right here.
Mamacita, vámonos de fiesta. Y ahora en mi corazón tú estás. Y ya no quiero a nadie más. Contigo te quiero pasarla. Mamacita, vámonos de fiesta. Desde que te vi.
So basically, this is what the hair looks like. You can see my hair. I'm not saying it's perfect, don't get me wrong, but actually it's not bad. So that's the method that I like to use. I hope I explained the other method properly, just in case somebody out there wondered that. It's basically, once again, it's just like unraveling the lock, putting your hair through, and then wrapping it up back. So I hope that's just a little bit more clearer. And yeah, let me just show you guys now what I'm gonna do to the hair now, because I'm really gonna speed through this, because once we start, fam, no more explaining, like I'm done. So I hook it onto right there. And really, that's it. That's all I'm gonna be doing to the cane row. And I'm gonna be doing this along the length of the cane row, go all the way back. And this is what I'm gonna do to my whole head until everything is finished. Alright guys, so I went ahead and I did most of my hair off camera. It's the next day, if you're wondering. I didn't do everything. I left like 4 or 5 just so I could walk you guys through the process in case you're still confused and stuff. And as it relates to the hair, I didn't really do it by myself. Shout out to my mom. I could do it by myself, but it just would take a longer time. And I honestly could have finished it yesterday, but I was getting tired, so I was just like, I'm gonna come on here today and show you guys the rest. This is what it looks like so far. So all I did was tie a lace around my hair. I like doing that when I'm having braids. So this is what it looks like so far. That's what it looks like so far. So basically, I have just a few empty spots right here. 1, 2, 3, and then this little twist got away from me, so I thought it was done, but it wasn't. So this is the last one.
South Beach, sugar-free, obsessed, dinner is better, just another stage, pageant the pain away, this time I'm gonna take the crown without falling down, down, down. Pretty girl, shine the light on whatever's worth. Perfection is a disease of a surgery.
So the two products that I like to use after my protective styles currently is the Aussie Headstrong Volume Hairspray, and I also like to use the Aussie Mousse 24-hour Curl Lock. So I basically just apply these to the parting, well, the visible parting, not all of it, and then the front area, that stuff. But look what happened to my foam. Like the top is basically no longer a top, so it's kind of very hard to spray. I'm really struggling with this thing, like really. Alright, I need to stop this. Oh my god, I'm struggling. Now I'm just gonna go in with the spray.
Vámonos de fiesta. Y ahora en mi corazón tú estás. Y ya no quiero a nadie más. Contigo que quiero pasarla. Mamacita, vámonos de fiesta. Desde que te vi.
So I finished applying all of the accessories to my hair, and this is what it looks like. I really like it. I have the gold string on 4 of them, and then I have this gold bead thing on like 3 of them. So that's basically it. Everything I used will be in the description box below. If you want to try this style, go ahead and click those links, order it, and comment down below and let me know how it goes. So I'm gonna give you guys like a full 360 so you guys can have a better view of what the hair is looking like. So that's my hair. That's my hair. And that's the end of today's video. So if you did like it, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, hit the notification bell button while you're at it, and leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.